Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will see how to solve one irritating problem which we face regularly. So almost all of us, we use Chrome and Edge browser. And in this browser, we open multiple tabs. And many times when we move this cursor over these tabs get open in another window. For example, here you can see. Sometimes these tabs get dragged and it get open in another window. And this happens multiple times, and because of that we get irritated. One more example, here you can see. When we move cursor over this tab, so this tab get dragged and get open in another window. So this happens multiple times, and because of that we get irritated. In this video we will see how to solve this problem. So there are two solutions. First is we have to adjust mouse sensitivity. By this your 90% problems will get solved. Another solution is, if that tab get open in another window, so we have to take it to the original window. That is the second solution. So how to do it, we will see in this video. So our first solution is we have to adjust mouse sensitivity, right? So see, for that what we have to do, first step, we have to press Windows key along with button R. So see, Windows key along with R. So it will open this window. Here we have to type reg edit. It stands for registry editor. So see, here I have typed reg edit. Now click on OK button. It will open window of registry editor. So what we have typed reg edit. So it stands for registry editor. Now here you can see multiple options. Here we have to choose H key current user. Here you can see. We have to select H key current user. Inside that we have to select control panel. Inside that we have to select desktop. So see, H key current user, click on that. Then here we have control panel. Click on that. Here we have desktop. Select this. Now see, there are multiple parameters. We have to update drag height and drag width. Here you can see, we have to edit drag height and drag width. Their default value is 4. We have to make it 20 or 30. Now what this value stands for? So this parameter decides how many pixels our mouse should move before browser initiates drag and drop action. So normally it is 4. If you make it 20 or 30, so 20 or 30 pixels our mouse cursor should move before it will take action of drag and drop. So before new window get open, our mouse cursor should move 20 or 30 pixel, whatever the value that we will set. Okay, so how to set that value? We have to double click on these parameters. So see, drag height and drag width. Here you can see default value is 4. Now double click on drag height. Okay, make it 30. Okay, now drag width. Double click on this drag width. Here again we will make 30. Okay, so here you can see drag height we have made it 30, drag width we have made it 30, right? So in this way we can adjust mouse sensitivity and it will solve your 90% problem. But still, if your tab get dragged to another window, so we have another solution, that is second solution. So look at this. What we have to do, we have to take that tab to the original window, right? So see, suppose I have dragged this tab, got open to the another window, right? Now we have to take it to the original window. So how can we do it? Right click on this. Here we have option move tab to another window. Now see, our original window has these 4 tabs, right? So select this. So here you can see our tab got returned to the original window, right? Same thing we can do for the Edge browser. Look at this. So here I have opened multiple tabs, right? Suppose this Google. This tab get dragged to the another window, right? So see what we have to do. Right click on this tab. Here we have option move tab to. Here we have to select that original window, right? So in original window we have these 4 tabs, right? So click on this. So here you can see our tab got returned to the original window. So in this way we can solve our problem where tabs get dragged and get open in another window. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thank you.